Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best MTB handlebar grips that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a casual rider or a hardcore mountain biker, finding the right grips is essential for comfort, control, and durability. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the ROCKBROS Double Lock-On Bike Handlebar Grips. These grips are designed with a dual aluminum alloy locking mechanism, ensuring they stay securely in place during your ride. The anti-slip rubber texture on the surface offers excellent grip, even in wet or muddy conditions, making them ideal for mountain biking and BMX adventures. The universal fit for 22.2mm handlebars adds versatility, whether you're mounting them on a scooter, folding bike, or MTB. In terms of design and build quality, the ROCKBROS grips are lightweight at 120 grams per pair, and the rubber material feels durable yet comfortable against your palms. Installation is a breeze thanks to the included Allen key, which makes securing the double lock simple and hassle-free. The bright red color option adds a pop of personality to your handlebar setup, though other colors are available depending on your preference. As for performance, the grips excel in providing consistent control during long rides. However, while the grips offer solid value for their build quality, they may not provide the same level of comfort for riders who prefer softer touch grips for extended use. These grips are perfect for riders looking for reliability and a secure locking system without breaking the bank. Pros include their secure double lock system and ease of installation, while cons include slightly less cushioning compared to higher-end options. At number 4, we have the ROCKBROS 4-Pieces Bike Handlebar Grips. What sets these grips apart is the inclusion of 2 pairs in one package, making them an excellent value for families or riders who own multiple bikes. Each grip features a bilateral locking ring coupled with durable rubber material, designed to provide a comfortable and non-slip experience during rides. With 5 color options available, you can customize your handlebars to match your style. The build quality is solid, with premium rubber that feels soft yet sturdy. The grips are designed to fit standard handlebars with a diameter of 22mm, making them compatible with a wide range of bikes, including BMX, mountain, and folding bikes. The locking mechanism ensures the grips stay securely attached, even during intense downhill rides. Additionally, the end plugs add a layer of protection, preventing debris from entering the handlebar. While the ROCKBROS 4-Pieces grips perform admirably in terms of grip and stability, their slightly bulkier design may not appeal to riders looking for ultra-streamlined handlebars. However, the inclusion of 2 pairs at a competitive price makes these grips a solid choice for budget-conscious riders or anyone who wants to share with a friend. Pros include superior value with 2 pairs and excellent grip, while cons include a slightly heavier design compared to single-pair options. At number 2, we have the GPM Tear Single Lock-On Bicycle Handlebar Grips. These grips are designed with comfort in mind, featuring ergonomic shaping and an extra gel layer for a softer touch. Made from high-quality non-slip rubber, they provide excellent grip in all weather conditions, making them ideal for riders tackling varied terrain. The single aluminum alloy lock-on system ensures they stay securely in place, adding peace of mind for riders. The GPM Tear grips are lightweight at 92 grams per pair and measure 131mm in length, making them compatible with over 90% of bike handlebars, including BMX, MTB, and cruisers. The anti-slip texture on the surface offers consistent performance, whether you're riding through rain, mud, or dry trails. The grips are easy to install, and their durable construction ensures they hold up well over time. On the downside, the single lock system, while secure, may not offer the same level of stability as double lock designs for aggressive riders. However, their soft touch design makes them perfect for casual bikers or commuters who prioritize comfort over rugged durability. Pros include excellent comfort and grip in varying conditions, while cons include slightly less locking security for high-intensity rides. Finally, at number 1, we have the PNW Components Loam Grip. These grips are the ultimate choice for riders who demand premium quality and performance. Available in 2 sizes, regular 30mm diameter and XL 34mm diameter, they cater to different hand sizes and preferences. The grips are crafted from PNW's Happy Camper compound with a durometer of 25A, ensuring an excellent balance between softness and durability. The single clamp, closed-end design enhances stability while maintaining a sleek profile. The Loam Grip's standout feature is its lifetime warranty, which speaks to the confidence PNW has in its product. At 133.5 millimeters in width and weighing 90 grams per pair, regular, these grips are lightweight yet sturdy, making them ideal for long rides and challenging terrain. The textured rubber surface provides exceptional grip, even in wet conditions, while the ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue during extended use. While the $29 price tag may be higher than other options, the quality, comfort, and lifetime warranty make the PNW Loam Grip an investment worth considering. These grips are perfect for riders who value premium materials and a reliable, long-lasting design. Pros include superior comfort, durability, and a lifetime warranty, while cons include the higher price point compared to budget-friendly options. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.